'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. So let me stop playing, man. Let's get into this breakdown of some of the best Air Jordan 1s to release in 2023, man. Let's get into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated, man, for you guys to pull up, man. It's Christmas Eve, and I hope everybody's with their, family, enjoying the time. Make sure you, reach out to those distant loved ones. Make sure you reach out, make sure they all right, you feel me? Tell them Merry Christmas, tell them you love them and all that good stuff. You never know what people are going through. So I hope today's video, I bring you guys some good spirits on this Christmas Eve, and hopefully you get everything you asked for Christmas, man. And I ain't gonna lie, man, shout out to the homie Jay, the sneaker guy, once again, man. I put on my story, bro, but he blessed your boy with the new PlayStation Portal, man. I love this thing. I already been playing it like crazy the last couple hours. It's definitely gonna take some getting used to, but again, man, shouts out to the homie Jay, the sneaker guy, bro, for blessing your boy, blessing your boy with the PlayStation Portal. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. It might go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. If you want to bless your boy with a Christmas gift, I need everybody to spam them likes and go crazy down below in the comment section, man. All right, guys, like I said, we're gonna be talking about the best Air Jordan 1s of the year, and I had to start off with a bang with the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagines, man. The reason why I wanted to put that on here is one of the best because we got the OG Royals to come back. Like, everybody loved the Royal colorway. It's definitely top 2, top 3, colorways for the Air Jordan 1 silhouette. And they brought it back in that reimagined spinoff. And you'll be surprised how many people say they prefer this way to pair over the original pair that dropped back in 2017, man. So I had to highlight this one. Definitely up there as far as the best because you guys, even though they went on sale for 130 bucks, people were still buying them. People were still loving them and adding these joints to the collection. So I had to put this on a list. Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagine, guys. And I can't get any much further without mentioning the Travis Scott 1 low. I think it's the reverse olives or the olive Travis Scotts. Put a picture up here. A pair that was super hard to get. It was a women's exclusive, but definitely the talk of the year is being like one of the best Jordan 1s, especially the best Jordan 1 low of 2023, man. If you guys did cop that one, let me know. That resale was super steep on them, guys. But if I could have added them to the collection for the retail therapy, of course I would have, man. And next we have no other than the Spiderverse 2.0s. I love this pair right here. I haven't got a lot of wears out of them yet just because I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with it. Do I want to go crazy or do I want the sneaker to talk for themselves? But nonetheless, bro, a dope Air Jordan 1 colorway. Kind of give you that, Chicago look to it. You got some, hologram vibes to it. You got some patent leather all the way around it some places. Like Nike and Jordan killed it with the Spiderverse 2.0 rendition to the Air Jordan 1, man. And I had to grab both of these joints for the next one, and it is the Air Jordan 1 Satin Bread, bro. You cannot go wrong with a bread Air Jordan 1, no matter if you put suede, no matter if you put patent leather, no matter if you put the satin all the way around the Jordan 1. I feel like they killed it. Got the nice lace tips on these guys right here, and just the overall quality is pretty nice. The only thing I did notice when I wore these the other day is they leave super harsh creases in the toe box, but hey, it is what it is. You gotta rock your sneakers, and definitely still one of the best. No matter if they set for a while, no matter if people said it was trash, there were a lot of people that grabbed them. Don't let them fool you. And I loved these Satin Breads to release, man. It's one of my favorite, definitely on my top 10 list of the year as far as pickups for your boy, the vintage, man. All right, man, next, you already know we could go too further, you know what I said, without showing the Palomino, guys. But the Palomino, I feel like Jordan Brand made up for the whole, first mocha drop. They brought these bad boys out, man. The Palomino joints got the mocha hits all the way around it. And Travis Scott brought that mocha, vibe to the Jordan 1 line. We didn't see a lot of mocha Jordan 1s before the first Travis Scotts, and then they bring out these, they bring out the mocha 1s. So if you guys agree with this one being one of the top releases of the year, man, please let me know down below in the comment section. So since we already talked about the Travis Scott lows, we had to bring out an OG one, you feel me? And it happens to be the black toe low, guys, man. Look at them joints, bro. Such a beautiful executed sneaker, man. You got the huge Wings logo on the back right here. Leather quality is super crazy on these things, man. I feel like they went all out as far as the leather quality, far as execution, as far as a whole, you know, build up anticipation around the sneaker, because we got a shock drop, we got exclusive access, we got just a regular drop, and we haven't seen these things restock yet. So I definitely think that next year time frame, bro, this low gonna be going for some bread, bro. Case in point, I want everybody to go look back at the Jordan 1 Low Chicago and the Jordan 1 Low Breads that dropped back in the day. I think back in like 2012, 2013, one of the two. But them things are going for like $400 or $500, bro. So if you ain't snag you a pair too, man, you might be regretting it. Go ahead and cop them now while that resale value is low, man. All right, guys, so for this next Air Jordan 1, man, this was talks of being the best Jordan 1 of 2023. It was like a toss-up, man, which we're gonna say for in the video. It was a toss-up between a couple colorways. But these right here were definitely the talk of the summer. It happens to be the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toes, man. People went crazy over this release. It was a weird one, bro. I didn't know if it was limited. I didn't know if it was a super GR. Just a weird release. I don't know how to, you know, put words to it, but it was hard to find these things. I actually hit on the shock drop. I think I hit on the shock drop or on the official drop day, but it was slim pickings, bro. I didn't hit on FLX. I didn't hit on, you know, Finish Line JD. I barely got me a pair of these UNC Toes, man. And definitely, like I said, one of the best Air Jordan 1s of the year, hands down. All right, guys, and next we have the Wash Black, the Wash Heritages. There's a lot of names surrounding this sneaker release right here, but nonetheless, bro, one of the most solid, most versatile Air Jordan 1s to release this year. I don't know what, you know what I'm saying, went wrong with this release. They did sell out pretty quickly compared to all the other Air Jordan 1s I did show y'all. But still, it wasn't a lot of, you know, hype, a lot of anticipation around this one. I don't know why, but the nice off-white sail hit around the midsole and that gray, that wash black look. And then you got the white laces in there, bro. This is probably my top 2, top 3 Jordan 1 pickups of the year, man. I love them. I love wearing them. Like I said, just an overall versatile Air Jordan 1, so I had to go on list for one of the best Air Jordan 1s of the year, man. And then last but not least, bro, I had to pull these out just because it was a dope, you know what I'm saying, overall collaboration with Union to LA. Not a lot of people loved them initially, but now when I go back and look at the comments surrounding this video when I did my first unboxing, bro, people are starting to grab these things. It's a Union to LA collaboration with Beffy's Beauty Supply. Got the weave around the toe box. Just an overall story, just the overall quality. Like the leather quality is super crazy on these joints, and it's not a bad colorway. I think a lot of people just couldn't get over the fact that it had this weave surrounding the entire Air Jordan 1, man. But you got the nice silver, or I think this is 3 of them. If not, it's just a nice silver Nike swoosh around the entire sneaker. Overall sail off-white hits. Just perfect, bro. They killed it. Glad to have them. And if you guys still did not snag a pair, bro, you kind of on the fence, man, hey, you think going for the low ski, bro. So I told you guys it was up to like 2 pairs of sneakers. In my opinion, I went down as the best Jordan 1 of the year. I might be far-fetched or I might be spot on, but I think it was between the Air Jordan 1 Palominos and the UNC Toes, as far as, you know, just a nice general release. Nice colorway, 2 very popular colors surrounding Jordan 1s, UNC and that mocha brown. And I think that is between these 2 right here, man, the UNC Toes and the Palominos. But if you guys have your pick as far as the best Air Jordan 1 of the year, I want you guys to let me know. But me, I still think that it has to go with the Palomino Air Jordan 1s as far as being the best Jordan 1 of the year, man. But you guys can go ahead and critique that down below. Let me know what you think the best Air Jordan 1 is of 2023. Super interested in knowing. I don't know everything, and I probably missed a couple of Air Jordan 1s as far as the best of 2023, so I cannot wait to read you guys' comments, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. If you guys are new here and you like what you see today, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and always, man, comment, because I do read every single comment. I respond to every single comment. Let's see what the Vintage Squad is feeling, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in. All this being said, man, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas tomorrow, and I'm gonna catch y'all the day after Christmas, man. Peace.